Welcome to CTC Tampa. We have facilities up in Hueytown, Alabama, and our headquarters, Jacksonville. We have schools there. Check into it. This segment's called our drop and hook segment. I'm going to perform the drop now. If this was a loaded trailer, I would drop my legs all the way down to the ground firmly. But for training purposes, this is an empty. We're going to drop the legs down to the asphalt 2 to 3 inches. Again, if this was a loaded trailer, the pads would be touching the asphalt firmly. This is empty, 2 to 3 inches above the ground. Use your foot as a good reference point. Put the handle back up, hovering just above the ground. We're now going to go over here to the airlines. Our emergency disconnect. Red, in the box. Green, pull it out, straight out. No need to wiggle. Pull it in a box. Blue, service. Up, back in the box. We don't want them hanging on the catwalk. Now, we're going to come up here. We're going to pull the pin. Pulling our release mechanism. We know that the jaws have released from the kingpin. It's in the locking position, right? Now I'm going to come in here, open my door, kick on the truck. Now I'm going to get inside. I'm going to disengage my airbags. I'm going to lower my airbags. Hitting the switch, shutting the door. And I'm going to ease out. Now I'm going to shut my door. I'm going to make sure that my feet are firm on the asphalt. My trailer's not sinking. I'm on good solid ground. I'm now going to get back in the truck. And I'm going to re-engage my airbags. I'm going to pull forward. Now I've dropped my trailer. Now I'm going to perform my hook. I want to make sure my trailer is properly aligned. I'm going to get out and look to make sure, because when you run around the yard, there's a good chance your lock mechanism's going to engage. You're not going to be able to bump the trailer. There's a process here. We get out and we look. So, it's wide open. I'm good. Now I'm going to get back in. I'm going to let everybody know I'm going to back up. I'm going to blow my horn. And I'm going to line up my trailer, my tractor with the trailer. I'm going to be looking to make sure that my tires are right underneath the trailer, just inside soon as I feel the tractor hit the trailer, I'm going to stop. Put the truck in neutral. I set my air brake. I'm now looking, walking around. Now, I'm going to grab my flashlight. I'm going to make sure, whether it's daylight or nighttime, I'm going to make sure my kingpin's in line with my fifth wheel. I look, I see it's lined up with the valley of the skid plate. I'm now going to bump it. Listen for the click. There's the click. Give it a little tug. We're good. A little tug forward. It's empty. We want to make sure we're good. Set the air brake. Now we're going to get out and we're going to check to make sure the kingpin is safely secured and locked. And we are locked. There is no daylight. Now that I've done that, I'm now going to come over here, grab my blue. My rubber grommet is intact. It's not dry rot or rotted or missing. I'm now going to lock it in place, perfectly matching up both rubber grommets, slide it down. Nice and even. Now, I'm going to hook up my electrical. Looking inside, the plug itself, the pins are okay, it's properly greased. Sliding the male into the female outlet, locking it in place. Now I'm going to grab the red. Again, checking the rubber grommet on both the trailer and the glad hand, matching it up, sliding it down. Okay? I'm going to come over here and I'm going to turn on my lights, my four-ways, and I'm going to engage the trailer brake. Headlights, four-ways, red. I'm going to walk around. I'm going to take the opportunity at this time to check and make sure that my AVI sticker is current and up to date. I'm also going to look around to see if there's anything wrong with the trailer. Well, I got a marker light out here. That would have to be replaced. Blinker's working. I'm going to continue to walk around back here. All of my lights are working. Kick it back on. I'm going to do a tug test, trailer tug test. Now I'm going to put it in reverse. Push in my tractor brake. Pull down my trailer lever. I am now going to give it some resistance. I feel the tug action, the resistance. I can't go anywhere. I know my trailer brakes work. I'm now going to go forward. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to feel for resistance. Give it a little tug. We're good. Put it back in neutral. Set the tractor brake and the trailer brake. If this was a loaded trailer, I would finalize it one more time by walking around, checking my load. And again, listening for any audible air leaks. The trailer's in good shape. There's no cracks in the frame. My landing gear looks good. Now, after I've done all that, I'm going to push this in, crank it towards the truck, which is counterclockwise. I need to go make some money. All the way up. It won't go any higher. Pull it out. Safely secure your handle. This completes our hook.